Have you ever wondered if there is a comfortable and non-invasive way to achieve peaceful, quiet sleep for yourself or your partner? Yes, oral appliances can effectively reduce or even stop snoring for many individuals. These custom-made devices are a popular and successful non-surgical option, particularly when snoring is caused by a blockage in the upper airway, which is often associated with mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea. The core reason these appliances work so well is their ability to maintain an open and clear airway during sleep. Most oral appliances are known as mandibular advancement devices, or MADS. They work by gently moving your lower jaw forward, which in turn moves your tongue and soft palate forward as well. This action helps prevent the collapse of soft tissues at the back of your throat that often obstruct breathing and cause snoring. Another type, called a tongue-retaining device, holds the tongue in a forward position, which also helps keep the airway open. To begin this process, you will first need a comprehensive evaluation by a sleep physician to determine the cause and severity of your snoring. If an oral appliance is recommended, you will then typically consult with a qualified dentist who specializes in sleep medicine. They will take impressions of your teeth and jaw to create a custom-fitted device that ensures maximum comfort and effectiveness. The process often involves a few adjustment appointments to fine-tune the fit and ensure it is working optimally for you. One key advantage of these appliances is their custom fit, which makes them for more comfortable and effective than generic over-the-counter options. A properly fitted oral appliance is designed specifically for your mouth, ensuring it stays securely in place throughout the night while providing the precise amount of jaw or tongue advancement needed. This personalized approach is crucial for both comfort and treatment success, allowing you to breathe freely and quietly without disruption. Ultimately, choosing a custom-fitted oral appliance can lead to significantly improved sleep quality for both the snorer and their sleep partner. By proactively addressing the physical cause of snoring, these devices help restore consistent airflow, leading to more restful nights and contributing positively to your overall sleep health.